All right, so the first two questions that I'm going to answer are what is a teachers union and what do teachers unions do? So to start off with, a teachers union is an organization of teachers and other educational professionals who work to protect the teachers within their union's rights. So as an example, I live in the high desert. My district is called Hesperia Unified, and my teachers union is called Hesperia Teachers Association. And we recently had a meeting where all of us were treated to lunch, and they basically discussed our contract negotiations for the next year. So it's a bunch of people that represent us, the workers, the teachers in the classrooms, and do a couple of things for us. So this is where we lead into what do unions do. This group of individuals help set wages and work conditions. They represent workers in employment disputes. So if there's ever a situation where I find myself in trouble or in a dispute with either administration or the district, I can go to my union and they will represent me because I've been paying dues to them previously. They also help protect pensions or retirement, as we kind of use more nowadays. And the biggest purpose of a teachers union, or what they do, is just ensure that we as teachers have the best possible working conditions. There is a fee. I mentioned a minute ago, union dues. We have to pay union dues, and it depends on where you're at and which teachers union you belong to as to how much you pay. But overall, that's the purpose and the people who are the teachers union.